the city, to the edge of the plains. She walks with a purpose, she's breaking the chains. Camera rolling, stories unfold, truth in her lens, more precious than gold. Through the slums, through the hills she goes, capturing life where the real story flows. No filter, no script, just love, just light, bringing the struggle and joy to the sight. Ooh, kobenata, shining like a star.
Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back again to Kobenata YouTube channel. Today it's a new day and we are vlogging from Karura Forests. So guys, let me say thank you so much for watching my videos up to the end. Subscribe, like and share. And guys, for the new subscribers, let me say you're so welcome, feel at home. And for my returning subscribers, I'm so grateful for your support. Let's continue moving to the Karura Forest. Today it's an amazing day. We want to prove ourselves wrong, like the other time at the Ololua we got lost. Today we don't want to get lost, guys, so come with us. Let's go and explore the Karura Forest. Yeah, so guys, we are going for a trail. We want to explore the Karura Forest. And a lot of people come here in this area. As you can see, also international, they usually come here. And these are easier. Let me show you.
Shall get time to go to the caves and enjoy. So be my audience.
These are the rules. As you know, every place you go and get rules and regulations to follow. So if you go against this, then you know what next. And let me show you the map. Here we have the map for the Karura Forest Reserve. We have the caves, we have the waterfalls, we have the obstacle course, westlands, Madare River. We have also, what do you have here? Lily Lake. Yeah. And also we have the chimney. Yeah, so that's how the map goes. So what we want to explore here, we want to go to visit the waterfalls and the caves. And that's why we are going to finish with the picnic on the other side. So guys, let's go and see the Karura Forests. Yeah. Ooh. Also guys, we are moving. We are still at Karura Forest, and this is the entrance from that side, and we are continuing like this. I don't know why they are cutting trees. Why are they cutting trees? I don't know. It's illegal to cut tree in Kenya, but I don't know whether it's for government or what. So I don't know why they are cutting trees like this. No forest, no anything. So by the way, planting site, oh, VIP planting site. So that side is for the VIP planting site, but I don't know why they are cutting the trees. So this time around we don't want to get lost, because we want to go and see the waterfalls. Yeah, but guys, let me know in the comment section, why are they planting or cutting trees? It's illegal in Kenya to cut trees, but since we are in the government land, I don't know why. I don't know. Let's continue moving. Then we ask this lady about where we can get the waterfalls. And see like this. Madam, how are you? Nauliza aje waterfalls ziko?
Ukienda hivi kuna path mbili utaona, ushuke na hiyo ya chini.
Ya chini hivi.
Itakudirect tu.
Oh, thank you. Okay, subscribe to Kobenata. Yeah. Look, also the dogs are... Okay, I was just asking about the waterfall. Look at these dogs. Look at that. Wow. I love it. I love it. Today is just a walk at KARURA. So here we have the forest reserve for removal of the exotic and invasive species. So I don't know where we are heading to, because we are looking for the waterfall. So I think we are going down. Yeah, so guys, we are going down on this side. So I'm telling you. Yeah. So guys, you have seen here it means 222. Oh, and here kobenata alone. Sometimes I get to laugh. Imagine walking alone. But I have my friends with a symbol on the in front. We have it's underscore and Maura, and I am Miguel on the other side. So we are at KARURA Forest. We wanna look for the waterfall today. Hope we are not going to get lost. Okay. I don't expect to get lost today. I'm telling you, this baller of mine, these guys, I'm getting tired of it. I don't know what to do. Look at the trees. And today it's sunny, hot. But at least we are under the trees. So I'm enjoying. I need to get a stick to hold myself as we walk. Yeah. Look, it's sunny. Sunny, by the way. We have seats every place. Enjoy your seat, madam. Yeah.
Let me take a breather.
Yeah. Wow. Hey. Hey, my subscribers, you should come this side and see all this. Hey, where you can walk. Hey, I'm telling you, nature trail of KARURA Forests. Nature trail, KARURA Forest, guys. Wow. And the trees, look at that. Hey, look at that. And you have a seat here, like every 100 meters you move, You get a seat to sit. And they're from Samsung. So Samsung, they are doing us good. Wow. Let me enjoy. Woo! Kobenata. Hey. Kobenata over here.
How is it going?
It's good though.
Eh.
Ah, this one is not like Orolua. Here we sit. Here we enjoy. We enjoy life. Eh? We are enjoying life like this. Here we are enjoying. You go like 50 meters or 100. You get a seat.
Really fascinating.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Wow.
We keep on moving, but guys,
How do you feel, Han?
So far so good, so far so good. And it's nice that we go a little bit, we find a chair so you can take a seat. But we are supposed to be walking, guys.
Walking.
Yeah.
I know, but yeah, again we are going to enjoy. Me, I want to enjoy, yeah? This walk.
Enjoyment.
Yes, Juan Miguel. Salimiana in English.
Oh, hi guys. My name is Juan Miguel Africa. So guys, we are here. Tumekuja kwa fun. Tujui itakuwaje.
Yeah, you don't know how it will be. You know, my subscribers sometimes they complain of Swahili.
Oh,
Yeah, so that's why I like my vlogs doing them in English.
but mimi napenda kufanya a lot of Swahili.
Yeah,
I don't know why,
it
but
depends
because-
with your content and your subscribers, you know.
And you know my supporters wengine wako Jamaica,
Uh-huh.
United States.
Yeah,
Some of them hata ni wazungu but
but they want you in English or Swahili? In Swahili. You continue. Yeah. Guys, are we going to get to the waterfalls in this side?
yes.
Okay, thank you. So you wanna go see the waterfall? Hey, Kobenata with the waterfall. Hey, guy. I wanna see the waterfall in this jungle forest, jungle forest. Hey, look at the trees. Hey, wow. I'm enjoying the walk. Look at inside here, forest. You can get lost in the forest again. Yeah, let's see inside here. Yeah. But the good thing, we don't get snakes here. We can't get snakes in this forest, I'm telling you. In this forest, it's clean, only fertile soil you're getting and trees growing. Yeah, let's go deep and see inside the forest. Let's go deep and see inside the forest. Yes, this is what we get. Look at the ambience. This side. Wow. Wow. What do you expect? Wow, the sounds. The sounds of trees. When I see this firewood, I remember village. Look at this. Every forest I've gone, I don't miss this tree. I always get this tree. Get a stick. A walking stick like this. It's healthy. Yeah. So a walking stick like this, it's healthy. Wow. Wow. Ooh. Again, back. We are back. No restricted wildlife area. No access, restricted wildlife area. Please respect our wildlife and stay from the designated park. Okay, so there is a wildlife here. I don't know. Okay. Okay, guys. No access to the restricted wildlife area. Okay. And we have the clean water here. We have clean water here. Wow. 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 Water is so clean. So clean. Clean water. Yeah. The waterfall is on this direction. Yeah. So guys, here you see 2 caves and waterfall, and we have a seat here. Yeah, caves and waterfalls. So we are on the right track. Hey, this Karura is not like Honolulu. Honolulu, we did the trail until we got tired. But let's continue moving. You can see people here walking. The animals went in 2 by 2. Ula, ula. The animals went in 2 by 2. Ula, ula. The animals went. Gosh. Oh my God. Oh my God.
With all these proteins and things that they've eaten.
The animals went in 2 by 2. Hula, hula. The animals went in 2. Kobenata, one day you'll kill me softly. The animals went in 2 by 2. Here we have Mutanga. Mutanga. Oh, in Meru we call it Mutanga. But in Meru we call it Mutanka. So this tree is called that. Calastras Kasaka. Where? Celastras. Yeah. Where? Celestras, yeah. Hey! Hey, English is not water. What? I can't read that word. Anyway, let's continue moving. If I start reading trees here, guys, you are going to laugh at me. Let's see this other one. Ako cadre dera simper skimpere. Arrow poison tree. Moricho. Oh, the tree there. The arrow poison tree. Oh, this is wow. This tree in our place. We call it mobai. You put in a arrow, then these are poisonous tree. Hey, read for me, oh. English is not Englishing. Miguel, you're laughing at me. It's real now. English. That one I cannot even read. Why lie? Let me just sit here and then laugh at myself. Miguel, can you read that one? I can't read, I'm telling you. They're saying what?
Raw poison tree.
Raw poison tree. Read the name. The name? Guys, not only kobenata. Sorry, English is not Englishing. Hey, we can't read the names, eh? Where? I'm so tired. Are we near the waterfalls?
Yes, we've been to the waterfall.
About 1.5 kilometres that way.
Oh, 1 hour.
And we did this 1.5 kilometres.
1 hour kilometers?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my God, subscribe to Kobenata YouTube channel.
You can do it.
Steps down to it.
Yes.
Well,
You support my channel, eh?
lots of steps up as well.
Okay, Kobenata.
1 hour kilometers?
1 hour kilometer to the waterfall.
No, not 1 hour.
Eh.
1 kilometre.
1 kilometer.
About 20 minutes to walk.
20 minutes walk.
25 minutes. Depending
Oh.
on how fast you can walk.
Oh, because now even like I'm coughing too much because of laughing. Well, you make sure you subscribe to my channel, support me.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. My name is Kobenata. So guys, yeah, even the rider, they are here. So every step you make, you get a seat.
I'm not seeking perfection. Me, I'm just
Seat. And do you love this place, by the way?
Did you see how many butterflies are?
Yeah, a lot of butterflies are here.
I'm loving them. You found yourself a stick. That is clever.
You know me the way I love moving with a stick. Yeah.
If the butterflies are moving, butterflies are moving.
Waterfall caves, and they are just 1 kilometer center.
I really recommend this book. It's also really fun.
Waterfall, it's up.
This way.
Pretty Valley, 23 kilometers. Woo! Butterflies Lake, 15 kilometers. Hey!
So we're
That is one. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry.
Keep center.
1.5. I don't know.
So the waterfall, we go like this. Yeah, we go straight. Even it is showing there.
Yeah, caves and all.
Yes.
Not bad animals.
No
I think
animals.
that place we saw that was no access. I think there could be animals
There could be animals
because
there.
it's written there. No drones allowed so that we don't interfere with ecosystem. Yeah.
Okay.
You see? So
But
that-
also, you know, here there are so many embassies.
Yeah,
Around
tell her you
this
cannot.
area.
They can. You cannot
So
do
they
the
cannot
drone.
compromise with security.
Okay, I see
Yeah.
now.
And again, the trees. How will you do the drone?
Kisi huku ni kurembo nyingi.
Mimi napenda venye hizi
I was here. I was here. Okay, let's see another tree. Kobenata will die today. Hey, read your Simba, read for us.
Go get the muscle full of the time we those scientific names.
Read for me, read.
So that one is Brashilina Hule Silver Oak. Muhugu.
Muhungu.
Muhugu.
Muhungu. Timber and firewood.
Branchy Lina Huilensis.
Me, I'm like Branchliana Ulysses.
Silver
Asteraceae. 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 Me, these trees. So we can continue moving.
So hii miti ilimea tu. Hii ni natural.
No, but the people they usually come and plant trees at Karura. So you never know whether they are natural, they just plant.
Tutapata kina mkombero huko.
Yeah, I've seen the Nile Mubai. Mubai, that one which makes the poisonous arrow poison.
You've seen it?
Yes, there.
Penye tulipita ndio kinakogewa akasema tulichukua. Hiyo ilikuwa left tulichukua last.
Hey, the runners here, they are tall. But I just came to realize, you remember at T10?
Yes.
And
Oh yeah, most of them the physiques.
they were
very
tall. They were taller than
Like
this guy.
basketball guys.
Does it have something to do with the environment?
Yeah, if the
Keep
place,
on going!
Yeah.
if a place has good altitudes, that is favorable to
To the runners, yeah? Yeah. So this place, Little Simba, people they usually come and park at night, in the evening after work. They come and park and make move. They walk, and then they come and pick their cars and go
What time do they close?
at
Yeah.
6.
At 6.
Yeah.
So you have like 1 hour of walking.
Yes.
Okay, let's give our tongue a muscle pull again. This one is Chitakmers
Chitakme Aristata.
Muyuyu.
Urma Almasiasia.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, botanical name.
I am not responsible for any bad pronunciation of those botanical names. Man, what is that? What is that?
For me, I've laughed until I got some coughs. Yeah.
So guys,
So guys, from this junction is we are getting the waterfall sign. As you can see, we have the sign here. Here's the waterfall circuit. Yeah, look at this. Caves, waterfalls, and lake circuit. Yeah, 16 kilometers, the Muru Gate entrance. So the waterfalls shows here on this side. 3.0K. Wow. And the sun is giving. We are going to the waterfall right now.
Otherwise, you've been amazing. You've been such an amazing audience. Let's see you on the next one.
So guys, we are going to the waterfall. And guys, let me say thank you. How are you? Subscribe to Kobenata YouTube channel.
Will do. Hi.
Yeah. Yeah, make sure you subscribe, yeah? Kobenata.
Kobenata, okay.
Yeah, that's my channel. There was another time I saw this lady when I was here also riding the bicycle. Oh, this is your first time?
This is my first time.
Why? You look
But
like...
I have a twin sister.
Oh, because I'm like, I know. The other time I saw you riding a bicycle and again today. Okay, you have a twin sister and you look alike.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Wow. So I think I'm not confusing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So check me out, Kobenata.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. And what's your beautiful names?
Debbie.
Melissa and
Debbie.
Debbie.
Yes.
Yeah, Debbie and Melissa. Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, we go.
The waterfalls is not far.
Is here. So guys, let me say thank you so much for watching the video up to the end, and subscribe, like and share. We are at KARURA Nature Trail, and now guys, from here I'm going to take you to the waterfalls. So kindly watch this video to the end so that to continue with the next video for the waterfall. Thank you. Bye bye. See you on the next video. Kobenata. The Nature Trail. Wow. Wow. These are some of the activities here. Wow. 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 Those are some of the activities you find here. Wow.
From the heart of the city to the edge of the plains, she walks with a purpose. She's breaking the chains. Camera rolling, stories unfold. Truth in her lens, more precious than gold. Through the slums, through the hills she goes, capturing life where the real story flows. No filter, no script, just love, just light. Bringing the struggle and joy to the sight. Ooh, Kobenata, shining like a star. Voices of the people, echoes near and far. Ooh.